Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change your password on Amazon. In order to make changes with your Amazon account information, you'll need to open up a web browser first of all, and on the web address bar, type in www.amazon.com. You to the official web page of Amazon. Make sure that you're already logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on the profile icon located right on top, and then click on account or just tap on the profile icon. As soon as you've done that, you'll be able to see this kind of interface, or you'll be taken to your account page. Over here you can see there are multiple varieties of options available, so you need to go ahead and click on login and security. After that, you might be asked to type in the password or your current password for the verification purpose. Make sure to enter an int. In order to make changes with the information, you'll be directed to this page where you can make changes with your name, email address, phone number, your two-step verification, whatever, and along with that, a password. In order to make changes with your password, click on the edit button. This is going to direct you to the page where you can make changes with your password. So then to change your password, you'll not be able to do it unless and until if you don't enter in your current password. Now type in your current password. You'll need to type in the new password or create a new password. For the confirmation, you'll need to retype in once again. I'll click on Save Changes button, which is right at the bottom, and you might also be logged out of all the devices that you're currently logged in. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.